make this, you must film it. If I don't make this, turn side.
We're praying that your daddy makes it. Just,
Don't go down that hill, bye.
no, don't talk like that. Hey, don't talk like that. Pray that he makes it up.
Can you open this? That's all I'm worried about right now. Seriously, I just want apple juice. That's all I'm worried about. Oh my god, Abby, thanks. It's gonna be funny.
With our dad's life on the line, and you're over here. I want apple juice. Let's take a roller coaster, and if we can go up it, my eyes are gonna be.
He's gonna go down it.
He has to come down it somehow.
He's gonna die.
Don't talk like that. He's not going to. Here he goes. Shh.
Only thing I was scared of is falling off the cliff. That's Kylie was scared of that too. Guys,
What?
shut up.
Shh, shh,
Falling
shh,
off the
shh.
cliff.
Come on, Jeremy. You got this.
Kylie, move. Oh, that seems so fun.
Come on, Jeremy.
He's slowing down.
Please, God, let him make it. Come on. Let him make it. Come on. Come on. No, come on.
He's slowing down.
Come on.
He's slowing down.
Please, God, let him make it. You're almost there, Jeremy. You're almost there.
He can barely make it up. How's he supposed to make it down it? I just wonder.
Good job, Jeremy.
Now can y'all make it up that?
Well, we're not trying.
Now I'm supposed to make it down.
I would just slide my butt down.
Yeah, that would be amazing slide. Put some water on it and amazing water slide.
Slide.
A water slide, yeah.
That's a slide.
Yeah. No, it's not. That's how we're gonna be going down. Yeah. Dad got
I'll
out.
just slide my butt down.
He made the a rock.
Good job, Dad.
Oh no.
I can hear him.
He said hold on.
Really? I'm making sure he hears me. He's doing something.
He's on the top of the world.
No, that's not the tallest mountain. You know the tallest mountain is underwater.
Oh, Mount Everest.
It's taller than Mount Everest. It's underwater.
That's not a mountain.
It's
Happen. All right, shh. Shh. Shh.
what?
Shh.
I'm just fixing my shoe, jeez. Ow! My shoe is filled with sand. If Dad goes fast enough, he might get the shoe out of my sand. I'm getting the sand out of my shoe.
Come on, Jeremy. You got this. Go.
I did not
Ooh.
purpose. I did not purpose that. Oh!
Come on, Jeremy. You got this.
That makes a lot of birds. Oh yeah, he's fine. He just held the brake the whole time. Shut up. You shut up.
He's not holding his brake. He can't. He don't have that good a brake, does he?
He fixed it.
Oh.
Yeah, we fixed a bunch of stuff.
Yeah. He even put on new parts he didn't even need. He stopped. Come on, Dad, don't stop.
Kylie,
That
stop.
would be a great
You're walking
roller
up in the
coaster.
camera.
No, that would be a great roller coaster. Yeah, it really would.
All right, move out of the way. Daddy, move, seriously.
Oh, look at this one. What? Oh